Thank you very much, my brother Ben. First and foremost, must start by thanking His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, who is the Commander-in-Chief of our Defense Forces, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, particularly for having honored this day in solidarity with Kenyan workers by putting on a purple suit. We cannot take this for granted. We recognize that you recognize workers, and also in your position as a worker number one. I know I want to be very brief, but I want also to tell all of you who are here, who have assembled here to listen to us, that mvua haitanyesha. Kwa ajili kule nakotoka, wana uwezo wa kusimamisha mvua tukiwa na sherehe kama ya leo. Na hiyo kazi imeanza kufanywa. Tulituma mmoja wetu anaitwa Mheshimiwa Omboko Miremba kwa ajili grandfathers wake ndio huwa wanasimamisha hii mvua kutoka kule sehemu za nyumbani. Na nataka kumshukuru Mheshimiwa Omboko Miremba, who is also the chairman of Kupet, for the good work you have done, and it will not rain. I want to recognize our Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, who came here earlier and who has been supportive to workers' cause, and also to recognize Governor Sakaja. Wengi wenu mnajua wakati wa Labor Days, mimi niliwauliza huyo kijana mnipatie Mheshimiwa Sakaja, and you did a good job, mkamfanya senator wa Nairobi. Sakaja grew up with my children. Sakaja has been part of my family, and that is why. And we are not saying that the performance vis-a-vis his position might not be satisfactory, but we must develop channels such as the one I've developed, and I communicate to him on issues of informal sector in Nairobi and what is happening and how we can make our city to be beautiful without really throwing stones at him. I want to recognize my cabinet secretary, who is also a former labor leader from the Union of Kupet, Sister Florence Bore, who has been with us, who has worked closely with us, who has opened her offices for all labor leaders in this country. And I want to thank you, Mama.